Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart, simple software tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into Rydoo, the modern cloud-based expense management software that's saving time and eliminating paperwork for companies all around the world. Whether you're a freelancer, a finance pro, or part of a fast-moving team, Rydoo helps you track expenses, scan receipts, and submit reports on the go. So if you're ready to say goodbye to spreadsheets and hello to automation, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started with Rydoo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to visit the official website of Rydoo. On the top corner, you have an option to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account with Rydoo, this is going to be the perfect opportunity for you to create one. How? All I have to do is go back to the main homepage. There is a section that says Get a Demo. You will be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do is provide all the information needed, and then one of the Rydoo expert will contact you if your request for the free trial access has been approved. But if in case you're not approved, don't worry, because we can simply go back to the homepage and learn so much about the Rydoo by going to all these sections. On the top corner, we have the product, pricing, why Rydoo, integrations, resources, and customers. So let's deal with the Rydoo first. Now, on the product section, let's talk about the product, which gives us the expense management. Rydoo provides an all-in-one digital platform that helps businesses streamline their process of tracking, submitting, and approving expenses, reducing manual work and paperwork. Alright? Now, if you go to another product, which is going to be the expense app, which is my #1 expense app in the market right now. Rydoo's mobile and desktop apps make it easy for users to manage expenses on the go, because you have features like receipt scanning and real-time syncing help that makes the process fast and convenient. You would notice that you can download the Rydoo on these stores, right? So you have the App Store for iOS users, and for Android users, you can get it on Google Play. Alright, now the next is going to be the Smart Audit. I like it so much because you can automatically analyze all expenses with AI. It uses artificial intelligence to automatically review and flag suspicious, duplicate, or non-compliant expenses, saving time and ensuring compliance. Now, one of the good things about Rydoo is that they offer the expense cards. It's your smart virtual and physical corporate cards. Rydoo provides both physical and virtual corporate cards that integrate directly with the system, enabling real-time tracking and matching of card payments with expense entries. Now, how about we go to the product features? They offer the automated approvals. Now, you can set your own policy rules and automate expense approvals. How? Because Rydoo offers a customizable workflows, allowing finance teams to create rules. For example, spending limits, policy checks, so expense submissions are approved automatically if compliant. Alright, now the next product features that I'm going to discuss is the receipt scanner. You can submit expenses in just 10 seconds with the AI powered scanner. Employees can now take a picture of a receipt, and the app uses OCR, or optical character recognition, to extract relevant information automatically. Alright, it's very handy. I've used this a lot, and I'll tell you, it works wonders. Now, the next is going to be the credit card reconciliation. With Rydoo, automate your credit card reconciliation process very easy. It matches company credit card transactions with submitted expenses, helping to simplify and speed up financial reconciliation. Alright? And then there is the insights. With Rydoo, you can discover spending patterns and find cost-saving opportunities, because it provides dashboards and reports that show trends in company spending, helping finance teams make informed decisions. And then there is the section 4, the mileage tracking. You can submit, and process compliant mileage entries easily. Now, employees can log business travel mileage, and Rydoo calculates reimbursement based on local or company policies. All right, and then there is the per diem management. Now, you can manage daily allowances and meal deductions for a few clicks. How? Basically, Rydoo allows companies to automate the calculation and processes of per diem or daily allowances based on the travel duration, location, and policy. Not only that, they have the controlling services. With this, you can delegate expense reviews and approvals to the team of specialists. It's going to be an optional service where Rydoo's expert team handles the expense validation and approval process on your behalf. Of course, the last is going to be the CO2 tracking. Basically, Rydoo calculates and tracks carbon emissions related to travel expenses, helping companies stay compliant with sustainability regulations and ECG goals. If you're curious about the Rydoo pricing, as you can see, it offers you the online self-service. It starts with 8 per user per month and 10 for the pro. Now, if you feel that you wanted to scale up, and Rydoo is going to be the platform that could help you solve your business needs, you can go to the business, but it has a custom pricing. And the enterprise is something that you might want to check with the sales expert so that they can offer a tailored fit solutions to your business needs. In terms of the integrations, you have all these. For example, for ERP, you have all these. Microsoft Dynamics 365, Business Central. We have a separate video on how to use Microsoft Dynamics 365 that you might want to check in our channel. All right. You have ERP accounting until mobility and productivity. Now, one of the good things about Rydoo is that if you wanted to learn more about Rydoo on using the platform, you can have all these resources available to you absolutely at no cost. You have the case studies, events, guides, but my favorite among them is going to be the webinars. The webinars are on-demand, live seminar sessions from the expert leaders. For example, you have the finance and the cloud, the importance of efficient expense management. If you click on it, if you wanted to watch the webinar, okay, so all I have to do is very simple. Provide all the information needed and then click the watch button. It's absolutely free at no cost. Okay. Now, after that, there's also some options for you like case studies, events, guides, and white papers. And with that being said, and that wraps up our look at Rydoo. If you are a freelancer, a growing startup, or even a larger company looking to cut down on paperwork and manual tracking, Rydoo is worth considering. It's not perfect. Pricing may feel steep for smaller teams and setup can take a bit of learning, but the time you save managing receipts and approvals, that alone might make it worth the investment. So, is it right for your team? That depends on your workflow. But if efficiency and visibility are priorities, Rydoo is a solid choice. If this video helped you out, do not forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials and reviews. If you have any questions about Rydoo or want us to compare with another expense tool, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.